cannot do my makeup without any primer. So, prior to this, I already put my toner and moisturizer. So, that's why I will proceed with my... So, I will proceed with primer. This primer is from Wet n Wild. This is Photo Focus Water Drop Primer in Cucumber. All items will be in the description box, so please check it out. So for foundation, I'm gonna use Ever Belena All Day Liquid Foundation in Oriental. Use any concealer, I'm gonna do the second layer using this foundation as well. Okay, after the foundation, hindi kagad ako nagpa-powder kasi why? I need to see if mag-oxidize yung foundation. That's first. Second, gusto kong makita mo nang nag-set mo na yung foundation bago ako mag-powder. Or else, may tendency siyang mamol, lalo na sa under eye natin. So, bago yun, pinagpapahinga ko muna siya, like, after ko magkilay, saka ako magpa-powder. So, for eyebrows, I'm gonna use two products. This is Ever Belena Color Pencil in Brown. And this is Vice Ganda Gondol Volumizing Brow Gel in light brown. Kasi, light yung color ng hair ko, kaya pina-partner ko siya. Okay, brows are on. So, the next will be magpa-powder na tayo. So, as you can see guys, nag-set na yung foundation sa skin ko. So, hindi naman siya nag-oxidize. And medyo dry na rin siya. Ipe-press ko lang siya guys bago ako maglagay ng powder. Why? Baka kasi meron tayong mga lines pa dyan. Ayaw naman natin yun. So, for setting powder, I'm gonna use this Vice Cosmetics Duo Finish Foundation in Putanamis. What? Mali. Okay, for powder, I'm gonna use this Vice Cosmetics Duo Finish Foundation in Putina. Putinamis. Okay, this Duo Finish Foundation in Putinamis. I'm gonna use this sponge for the under eye. Then I'm gonna use a powder brush and then set the rest of my face. Okay, done with the powder. So, next is blush. So, for the blush, I only have this. I'm so sorry, guys. I only have this EB Advanced Cheek Color in Fade. the blush is blush contour, guys. So, this is a perfect color. So, ganito lang siya. If you find it too much, you can just get your powder brush. You can use your powder brush. And then, dump nyo lang sa edges. Para mag-blend out siya. Okay, for the highlighter, since highlighter is like an ate girl, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Master Chrome Face Studio. This is Molten Rose Gold, guys. So, same brush. If you don't like highlighter, guys, you can skip this step. But for me, I need some glow in my face. Then after that, I'm gonna set my face using this NYX Professional Makeup in Matte Finish. Shake lang natin. Okay, we are now on our lashes. Okay, if your lashes is curl, you can skip this step. But for me, my lashes is too straight, so I need to curl it every time I put mascara. So, curl ko lang yung lashes ko. And yes, guys, there's no eyeshadow in this video. So, for mascara, I'm gonna use this for mascara, I'm gonna use Double Up Mascara by Fashion Person. We cannot go out without our lips, right? So for the lipstick, I'm gonna use this BLK All Day Lip and Cheek in Cherry. So this is the final look. If you like this kind of video, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And see you on my next vlog. Bye mga bye!